Herzlich willkommen zu unserem Video. Wir sind die Gruppe The Door Openers.
Привет, добро пожаловать к нашему видео. Мы группа Door Openers.
Hello everybody, we are the group Door Openers and we want to present you our project, the Smart Lock. Okay, here's our door that we choose. This is our prototype to check the functionality of our system. It's quite easy. Here's the engine and here's the smart lock, and the engine pull the lock in this direction. On top of the door you can see here the reed contact, and here's the magnet, so we can detect if the door is open or closed. And on the outside of the door there's our box with all the electronic stuff in, like Arduino, battery and our board. And Oliver, next step please.
Yeah, on the board there is the RFID reader. It sends out a high frequency field, and if the card is in this high frequency field it will change, and so the door will open. Alex, the Bluetooth?
Yeah, we have also a Bluetooth module inside, so we can connect to our system with a computer or a smartphone. But usually you just have your smartphone with you, so we have an application with which we can open our door just by clicking on the touch screen. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Hola!
Hey.
And also with the Bluetooth module. Okay?
Okay. Perfect. Thank you guys.
Then
Goodbye.